This is Hitachi's 3.5-inch coil framing nailer, the NV90AGS. It drives wire collated coil nails from 1 3/4 to 3.5 inches in length and 0.099 to 0.131 in nail diameter. It comes with a factory installed 1/4 inch industrial fitting, and the ideal operating air pressure is 70 to 120 psi. This coil framing nailer is the ideal pneumatic tool for construction work, ranging from installing wall sheathing, roof decking, subfloor, mobile and modular home construction, making of wooden boxes, pallets and drums, packing operations in manufacturing plants, and other types of general packing and crating work. Built for the job site, this coil framing nailer comes with an all-aluminum body and steel head plate for maximum durability. The redesigned head plate allows for faster and easier maintenance. It is outfitted with Hitachi's convenient selective actuation, meaning it can drive both sequentially or continuously with a simple flip of a switch. In sequential mode, you simply depress the push lever, then pull the trigger each time you want to drive the nail. This mode allows you to be more precise. In continuous fire or bump mode, once you pull the trigger, then anytime you depress the push lever, the nail will drive. If you're looking for speed and efficiency, this mode is preferred. It's got toolless depth of drive adjustment that comes in handy for flush, countersunk, or proud nailing, no matter what material you're using. The hardened claw tip resists wear on the nose and minimizes slippage when driving at an angle or toe nailing. The side-loading magazine is tilted by design for faster and easier reloads. It can hold between 200 to 300 nails, allowing you to work longer without reloading. And in the event of a lodged nail, the open nose design provides easy access to clear the jam. This nailer offers an incredible power to weight ratio, weighing in at just 7.7 pounds. The NV90AGS is designed to balance in the user's hand for minimum fatigue during extended use or overhead application. An ergonomic, long-lasting, non-slip rubber grip on the handle and trigger helps maintain a secure hold. Full of features for convenient operation and performance, Hitachi has made a professional-grade construction tool feel lightweight and effortless to maneuver. This coil framing nailer comes with safety glasses along with Hitachi's 5-year tool warranty for peace of mind.